Might have a coin. Tide's up still, so I'm waiting for that to drop. Yeah, I think got me a penny. It's crusted up too, just like that Indian. I'll give it a little rub. See if we got a who's on the face. Don't expect too many old ones up here. I found some Indians up here, but this ain't one, I don't think. Can't tell if that's a wheat or wreath at the time being. Something chewing on me. I think it's wheat scent. Pretty sure. Coin. That's all I can say about that. Guys, check this out. Same place as the last video. This is where I found all those little caps, toothpaste caps. These pipes here. There's two sets of pipes, that's what I'm wondering. Could be another one deeper. Might need to dig and excavate that. See if that's so or not, because there's a lot of broken pipe here. Probably stuff inside that pipe. Listen to that. Definitely something there, huh? These aren't super old, but they're old enough. Come on. This is what we're doing. We got tide is pretty well started to go out good. When I got here, when I found that penny, all this was still underwater. So that's where we're at today. Let's get her done. Let's see what 80 is going to be today. Pop through. Right there. It's a piece of junk. Is it a bullet? Man, where are these bullets coming from? People shooting at deer down here, I guess. I don't know. For sure that's what that is. Yep. I'm referring to bullet. So we just found a little rectangle piece. I didn't know if there's going to be a trade weight or something interesting, but it's coming out to be something cool. I think it's a hinge. Small hinge. Look underneath this tree. I haven't put my glasses, but that's what that looks like. A cool little hinge. Look at that. Wow. That's old. It's gotta be old because ain't nobody been here. Huh. Still works. 52, 53, I think it was. That's a nice little find. I mean, it's still usable. Heck. Right there, underneath this wild cherry. I just inhaled that. It's a sweat fest again today. No, nobody wants to see sweat face, but let's get you loose. That sweat face, can you see it? It's like in my eyeball. It's so bad. So this is fun. Little brass doodad. Left my glasses at the bag, so unless that's lead, I don't know. Could be. Here, up in that. Shotgun. Nope. Is it? Yeah, shotgun. Had me there for a second where it looked flat. What's that jump? Alright, we got us a bird band. Let's see. Huh. Might be a bunch of them up here, I don't know. Duck. Stamp. Give me a second, we'll get it cleaned up enough so somebody can see her. Maryland duck. Stamp. Duck. What? That's it? No. That's all I got at this point. Oh. That was way up in here. There's a bunch of targets up here. I don't think they're all duck stamps. But you never know. Take a little stroll back to replenish my water. I'll get back going, doing a little more here. These are places to go. Not many people hit these spots. I found some really nice stuff here. Which you don't just find everywhere in that good shape. Not my coins from yesterday, of course. They were toasted out. Cool stuff. Anyway, 6. I'm returning back. I want to get that. I'm pretty sure that's a can, but I'm digging through it. Old round ball. I don't know if that was chewed on. I don't think so. It just hit something. That's old right there. What we got here, I don't think it's a shotgun shell for once. That's what we're gonna find. I think we got a coin. Yep. Mystery coins. Again, let's dig on the edge. Get some of this crust off. It's copper, I think. This is exciting, isn't it, folks? Just working my finger. Can't tell if that's silver underneath there. It's just odd size, but it looks copper on the back. So, might not be able to say what this is yet. Let's get some water on her. Hey, there's water way down there in that little hole. Yeah, it's way down there too. Everything's trying to fall over in the mud. It's too thin to be a penny. Too thin to be a penny. Cool thing is my numbers are right around the same as that 3 cent. No, 67. Huh. I don't know, guys, but look how thin that thing is. It could be a penny. Well, I won't say it is a penny because it's copper. Or is it? No. Mystery coin. No idea. I could get it. Oh man, everything falls in the mud. Okay, well, it's a coin. Go in the pocket. There's fish jumping over this while ago, coming out of here, I guess. Where the tide's going out. Coming up here trapping these crabs and fish, eating them up. See, this used to be, this is a channel right on the other side of this. Good Lord, look at that. Bleeding, man. Brutal getting out here. I guess this was a loading dock the whole way down for ships. Way back. There ain't a whole lot of water there right now. It's good fishing though. It's real deep right along the bank. But not much water. Hang on, folks. Yeah, they made clock gears here, I guess, because that's got to be like number 407 or something. I don't know how many of these I found. That's retarded. I don't understand. I mean, the sun goes down, it's night. How many clocks you need? Jesus. Lo and behold, another toothpaste cap. That daggone trench, get this. It's gotta be a clock piece, right? I don't know. Put all the stuff up. I'm figuring it's a clock piece, but who knows? It's really fragile. Might be a burner. Sorry about that. Huh. I would say it's a kerosene lamp burner. Sorry. Yeah. That one, that thing was down there and it's thin too. Whew. Just a hinge, or little pieces that hold it on to globe on. I know you're looking way up there, so I can never get this thing right. God, that was so deep. I'll put it in my bag. Good God Almighty, I'm just raining sweat. That sucks. Right off that pipe again. There it is. Oh man, look at that. Isn't it nasty? God. Got a thimble, I think. I think it's washed right out of there as well. Clams everywhere in here. Oh man, she's shot too. Yeah. She's not gonna make it, but yeah, a thimble. Oh well, look at the nasty critter down there going, see him? You. Gotta clean up a little bit. Is this a grape shot? That'll live. I don't know. It's heavy. Huh. Definitely some metal there. I don't know. Huh. There she is again. Looks like bone dry almost. But my old faithful shovel finally broke. So she's in the back truck. I'll be ready to cut me a new one. We'll see you again.